And getting in more news, exclusive visuals of terror hideouts with the VoIP-enabled call center also busted for terror communication. Two terrorists along with associates, remember, were killed at Haidarpora. Two terrorists were eliminated by our forces yesterday. This was an encounter that broke out in Haidarpora, and these are once again exclusive visuals that Republic has accessed of how our forces have busted a high-tech terror hideout. Zeenath, my colleague, is joining us with more details. Zeenath, two local terrorists you were telling us were neutralized by our forces yesterday, but these are exclusive visuals of how VoIP enabled call centers also been busted for terror communication. So certainly a big win for our forces.
Oh, Christian, this is a big win for the JKP in Srinagar, because Srinagar is completely dealt by Jammu and Kashmir police. This is the domain of JKP. Along with we are seeing the VIP, these cables they have recovered today, VoIP cables. This place was seen as a call center. So under the garb of call center, the terror activities used to take place. And these are the exclusive visuals that we are beaming here on Republic for the viewers, where you can see that they have giving a kind of a picture of a call center. But when the search was conducted by JKP inside, so the snow boots, the cables, and all other things that indicates that this is a terror hideout has been recovered by Jammu and Kashmir police. And it was a big network at the national highway, because this is this connects you to the all four important districts of the Kashmir Valley. They were in this very building. This was a three-structure building where in the ground floor they used to sell cement and all other construction material. First floor they have been running the call center. But when yesterday the encounter took place, the searches were done, and when the dead bodies were taken out, the JKP under the leadership of IGP Kashmir, they were able to get all this material from this terror hideout. Because for people, for locals, it was simply a call center, nothing else. But the kind of equipment and the machinery they have recovered, it also indicates that one of the terrorists who recently managed to escape but received the firearm injury, he too was treated there in this very hideout, because the blood stains are still available there, and all other equipment through which the surgery of a injured terrorist was done. This is what my sources are telling me. But as of now, as we talk about the encounter spot, they have not closed the operation. Still the searches are going on, and this is one of the posh colonies of uptown Haidarpora, where the incident yesterday had taken place.
Oh yes. All right. So yes, certain details now coming in, and big win for our forces indeed. How Zeenath is telling us that apart from neutralizing two terrorists, gunning down two local terrorists, these are the visuals of the terror hideouts that explain that the VoIP-enabled call center has also been busted for terror communication. So yes, this is the modus operandi that is in fact being looked at very, very carefully, and the forces now busting a high-tech terror hideout. This is the Haidarpora encounter that in fact broke out yesterday, in which two terrorists were gunned down by our forces, and more details that Republic is now accessing on the same. Zeenath getting us more details. And Zeenath, thank you for the moment. We'll keep coming back to you.